Siemens Digitalization Consulting is the automation and IT consulting for your needs. Based in many countries, we deliver our consulting services worldwide. Do you know about all the new and digital technologies out there today and how they might help you increase your business success? Do you have digital proof of concepts, projects and initiatives embedded into your business strategy? And do you know what use cases are the most important for you and how to get there? If you answered no to any of these questions, then listen further. We can get you started on the digital transformation journey with the Discovery Workshop. The first step of our Discovery Workshop is all about strategy. We deliver real value from day one of this workshop by examining your market environment, defining your business drivers, reviewing your current initiatives, and learning about your boundary conditions. The second step examines the horizontal integration, or the information flow between all your production-related departments, and the vertical integration, the data flow between your automation and IT systems. Step 3 digs deeper into your value chain by finding pain points and optimization potential within the different departments of your production facility, from your suppliers to logistics, over production, all the way to your customers. In the final stage, we build projects based on what we've learned, and we work with you to prioritize them. We also build a digitalization index for you to show how advanced your digital maturity is. We offer a modular and flexible approach to the Discovery Workshop, depending on the scope you desire. In a matter of days, we complete a baseline study and give you a clear idea of the next steps for your selected plant. Once the Discovery Workshop is complete, you'll receive a workshop report that typically consists of around 30 to 60 pages. Receiving our report is your first step on your digital transformation journey. But don't worry, our services go further than the Discovery Workshop and your workshop report. We can also accompany you throughout your digitalization journey. We're there to help you from the start to the end of your transformation, just as we've done for many other customers in process industry. Contact us to discover how we can help you achieve your digitalization goals.